Bird lovers, here's your ultimate test. 5 questions from easy to impossible. Only legends get all right. Ready to fly into the challenge? Which bird is called the king of the skies? Eagle. Which bird has the longest lifespan? Albatross. Which bird can recognize itself in a mirror? Magpie. You're smart if you made it here. Subscribe for more challenges. Which bird can glide without flapping for hours? Albatross. Which bird is the loudest in the world, reaching 125 decibels? White bellbird.